Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to just touch on a question that I was asked on a previous video. Somebody is concerned that after they've learned how to code a robot, how they've turned their strategy into a forex robot, their concern is that the broker might be able to read their code and maybe reverse engineer their forex robot and steal their idea and stuff like that, maybe as a way to counter their trades or as a way for the broker to also come up with their own trading systems and make money on the side. Or even, can brokers disable your forex robots? That was the other question that somebody also came up with. Can a forex broker disable my forex robot? So let's talk about that in this video. By the way, if you're looking for a new reliable forex trading broker, see the links in the description box below. You can start trading with as low as $10, $5, $20 without putting too much money at risk the first time. Then when you figure things out, then you can go ahead and add more capital to your trading account. Okay, so to answer your question, guys, the first thing is I'll try to answer the question in two parts, because it's two different people. One that says, can a broker disable my forex robots? The other one is, can a broker read my code, the code of my robot? So let's talk about the first question. Can a forex broker disable your trading robot? So first of all, when you are choosing forex brokers, you need to understand whether the forex broker allows forex robots. Most forex brokers, by the way, do allow trading with expert advisors, algos and stuff like that. So that one is not a major issue. If your broker doesn't allow forex trading robots, use the ones that I have in the description box below. So most brokers do allow you to trade with forex robots, but now there might be a situation where the forex broker feels for some reason, I don't know, for some reason, maybe, okay, let's just say maybe your robot is making so much money and maybe the broker has been trading against you and they feel they need to somehow mess with your robot. They still cannot disable your robot unless you provide them maybe access to your account with the robot running and stuff like that. What they can do is they can probably add in some platform restrictions, because most of these forex robot brokers are probably using MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 and the other platforms that are out there. So they might effect some restrictions on you. What can they do? They can do some execution delays. Some brokers have been known to introduce execution delays, which basically what it means is when you place buy, there's a delay between your having buy to when the actual buy trade actually is effected. So there might be a discrepancy between you placing buy now and having to wait 5 seconds before the actual trade is entered. That's an execution delay. So that will probably mess up with your robot. Of course, 5 seconds is too obvious. They will not do the 5 seconds. They might actually do some microseconds delay, which probably might mess up your trading robot, especially if you are doing the high frequency trading that people talk about nowadays, you know, buying and selling stuff within seconds. These high frequency trading robots, they buy stuff and sell stuff within seconds. Buys one stock, within that second it has sold it. So when the execution delays happen, it means the robot is no longer as profitable as it usually was. They can also do slippage and spread manipulation. Just to mess with your robot, the brokers might introduce what spreads, higher spreads. They might widen the spreads and maybe do slippage. Basically, slippage is when you again, it's almost similar to trading delays. When you want to take the trade now, you can't trade the trade. They offer you the next best price. Because there was a slippage somewhere there, so they kind of offer you the next best price, not the price that you wanted. And also they can widen the spreads and stuff like that. And also some brokers, they might actually tell you that, hey, your robot, we don't like it on our platform, the way you are trading. What they can do is basically issue a warning. They can give you a warning that the way you are trading, we don't like it. Or they can freeze your account. They will say, hey, the monies that you've been making in this account, we need to verify it that you have been doing things above board. We're not sure how you've been making this money, so we're just going to make sure. So they'll freeze your account, or they will issue a warning. That is if their policy is against your kind of trading with your robot. And they can also do server disconnections. In the extreme cases, a broker can actually disrupt your access to their servers. Basically, they close you out of their server, so that they limit your robot. They don't like your robot, so they don't want your robot placing trades on their servers. So they will limit your access to their servers. That's one way of a broker making sure they disable your trading robot. Now, going to the question, can a broker read my code, the code that is on my Forex robot? A broker cannot directly have access to read the source code of your expert advisors or Forex robots, especially if you're if you're going to be using a robot, it's going to be in the executable format .ex4 or .ex5 for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So there is no way for a person to unless they go, I don't know. It's hard nowadays. Back in the day it was possible. Nowadays it's very hard to decompile .ex4, .ex5 files. So there's no way for the Forex broker to actually go in and read the code that is running your robot. Also, even if you are running your robot, the robot is running on your machine locally. It's not running on the broker's server, so they don't have access to your local machine. And even if you are using VPS, virtual private server, they can't access that. They can only access things that are on their own servers, not on your computer or on your private servers. So there is very high chances that they are not going to get your code. Also, you need to make sure that it's called obfuscating. This English. You need to, if you're concerned that maybe they are going to monitor how I am trading and they are going to try and reverse engineer my robot, you can do what is called obfuscating. These words are too difficult for me, but they are the terms that they use. So it makes it difficult for people to understand the logic. Basically, they can't understand the logic. Why did the robot take the trade here when it was like this? So that's how you can also try to confuse the broker on how you are taking the trades, because some brokers actually use plugins to monitor trading activities or flag certain behaviors associated with certain forex robots on their servers. So you can use you can confuse them just to try and throw them off, so that they don't know exactly how you are doing it. But anyway, people are not stupid. At some point, maybe one or two might figure out how you are doing it. But getting back to the questions, can a forex broker read your code on your robot? Can your broker read the code on your robot? No. 99% no. Can the forex broker disable your trading bot? There is a chance that if they wanted to, they can implement some restrictions that we talked about. They can do execution delays, they can hit you with slippage, spread manipulation, they can issue a warning, they can freeze your account, they can block you, they can disconnect you from the server. So that they can also do they cannot directly disable your robot, but they can make sure that you can't trade with that robot. So yeah, that is to answer those two questions, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.